don't want to comment specifically to it because it has to be approved. It's not admitted yet. So the indicative numbers are a 10% increase. That needs to go through a governance process, project by project. And so primarily, though, it would be on the rail side, in line of locomotives and the locomotive and wagon upgrade program, and on the commodity, to do with major commodities. And the detail we can only give you in February once it's gone through our process. We have announced a preferred bidder for 100 diesel locomotives, and we would hope that that results in a contract very shortly. General Electric is the preferred bidder, and we have put in place a much stronger and appropriate governance process for locomotive purchases going forward. Probably the most important delays have been in the locomotive purchases, because there's a dire need for new traction power in our railway, where the average age of our locomotives is generally in the 30-year plus category, and we would want it closer to the 20-year plus category. And that the difference in age of those locomotives make a huge difference to productivity. But unfortunately, we had no option on the 212 process because it was flawed, and to have awarded the contract would have been unfair and exposed us to litigation. We're prepared to take that chance. If I could say that the locomotive acquisitions were not handled through Transnet Capital Projects, they were handled directly by the Freight Rail management.